What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to the vlog channel. It's super early. It's like 3:30 in the morning. I am on my way to LA for Slimer's Turf and I'm taking you along with me. Let me tell you, I'm having quite the morning. It is actually raining pretty hard outside. My mom's on her way to pick me up and take me to the airport. So yeah, and my tripod broke, so I'm not gonna have a tripod to vlog. That's fun. Okay, so I'm in my hotel room now and it's actually kind of nice. They let me check in early because it's like literally 9 o'clock over here. My check-in wasn't until 3, so shout out to you, the Kimpton Hotel on Wilshire. Thanks a lot. I'm gonna give y'all a little like hotel room tour, I guess. It's nothing like really extravagant. It looks really nice though, so I'm gonna show you. So this is the front door. Exciting, right? There's a mirror right here. Say, hey, what's poppin'? Travel, OOTD. Yeah, new shoes by the way. They're Nikes. Over here is the actual room. There's my luggage there. Don't mind that. I guess that's the neighbor, so that's kind of cool. There is a desk right here just in case I need to edit a video or something, do some work. TV, pretty cool, pretty standard. This is the bed. I think it's a queen size bed, which is alright. So that's pretty cool. Over here is a little closet. Has some stuff in there like robes and stuff. So don't need any of that. Over here beside the bed there is a mini bar and safe, so that's kind of cool. In here it's pretty empty, so I don't know why it's there actually, but that's kind of cool, I guess. There's a little tray here, some goodies that they left, and a bottle of Merlot, so who knows. And over here just a little nightstand. This is the restroom. Turn that on. Yeah, so here's the bath. Kind of interesting. This is super deep. Like I can literally get in it. Like that's crazy. And then the toilet, pretty standard. The sink here with the mirror, and this mirror is crazy. Like my goodness, you can see every pore. So right now I'm just kind of debating on what I should do. I'm thinking I need to eat something because I haven't eaten anything. All I had in the flight was an apple juice because I wasn't sure if I would like the food and I didn't want to like waste it. So I didn't eat anything on there. I am starving and I also didn't get much sleep last night, so I want to take at least an hour or two nap, you know, just to kind of get myself together because I don't know, I just feel not grumpy, but I just feel groggy because I haven't slept, you know. So I'm either going to order room service or I'm gonna go to a bakery that's like pretty close to here and get some food and then take a nap. So I just ended up getting room service because I really want to take a nap, so that's what I'm gonna do. So it should be 10-15 minutes before food gets here, then I could sleep. There's actually a restaurant like on the roof of this place, so I might check that out later. We shall see. So I got a Coke because I felt like coffee was just like out of the question. It's like 11 o'clock back home, so I don't think I would drink coffee at that hour. And then I also got some pancakes, which look amazing. And then I got some eggs, potatoes, and sausage. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. Yesterday it was so like crazy for me because I was planning on sleeping for like an hour or two, just taking a little nap, you know, because I've been up since like 2 or 3 in the morning, but I ended up sleeping for like 6 hours. By the time I woke up I was like, oh my goodness. So I just ordered Chipotle and I had dinner here. I watched Ocean's 8 and that's about it. I just find that really crazy because I never nap. Like I'm not one to actually sit or lay and take a nap, so it was kind of weird that I slept for so long, but I guess I was really tired. So right now I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab some breakfast and then go to Target Target to get like a backpack or something because your boy plans to snatch a lot of slime, and then I'm gonna head over to the event. All right, so I'm back in my hotel room. I went to go have breakfast and it was really good, by the way. I went to a place called Toast. I think that's what it's called. I'm pretty sure that's the only, it's like toast on something. It's called Toast, I don't really know, but I went there, and then I also went to Target because I needed to get a new tripod for the event. So I got a new tripod for the event. So this is the tripod that I ended up getting. It is called the Big Bendy Flexible Tripod. Goals on goals. So yeah. Alrighty, this is much better. I have my tripod now, and it's a lot easier to vlog with the tripod. Let me tell you, my hand was getting very tired. Well, my whole arm was getting tired. Hey y'all, so I'm here at the event, and guess who's with me? Karina. I'm dead. Sister Peter is here.
Karina.
I
hey
guess.
guys. Whoa, why do I look so saturated?
It's probably because
I love it though. Whoa, okay.
Sister Peter over here playing the game. That is the crew.
Channel link down below. Subscribe.
Okay. Vlog
like 3 years now. Like
seriously,
we met each other like since the beginning.
Yeah.
Oh
literally.
my God.
Truly, when we were like both trash.
Yeah.
The actual sisters. Hey y'all. Look at Queen Karina setup over here, y'all. I'm literally shaking. So freaking cute. She has her slime kits, and then like these exclusive slimes. You really need a shop, girl. Like, I'm living for this. I'm living for this. Look at these. They're so freaking cute. I honestly can't. And some more slime. There, then Squishy. Squishy Bunny has his slimes here too. Queen Elizabeth over there. I can't. Rainbow Playmakers in the house. Hey girl. It's been a minute. I know. Squishy Bunny sign is literally iconic. Oh yeah, so iconic.
She's cute, right?
Speaking of iconic, Myra Touch a Glam back there. The icon herself in her natural habitat. I can't. This is everybody's booth here. Peter, get out of the way. I'm just kidding. Everybody's just chilling, waiting for the doors to open. James Charles is quaking. Peter's famous. The twins are here. Dribble Slimes. Hey, are y'all excited? We're all excited. There are a ton of people here, y'all. This isn't even the beginning of the line. Like, it's crazy. What is it? A squirrel? I'm shook. Can I say hi? I am dead. Oh, no, get it off me. No. Get it off. Oh my God. Oh, is it yours? Oh, okay. I thought it was just like random. It's so cute though. It just scared me. Y'all, I swear, it literally jumped on me. I was about to pass out. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was just like a random squirrel or something. It literally jumped on me. Yes, girl. Squishy Bunny booth. Karina Garcia booth. It is super lit over here. Look at the queen. The queen has a line, y'all. I'm shook. Karina has this place shook. Rightfully so. Hey y'all, here we go. Hi. My girl Christina Danks over here from Illuminati Slime is killing it. Hey y'all, so with my girl Christina Danks, Illuminati Slime, what's up? Are you killing it?
I can't believe he came. I
know.
Happy about it.
It was super last minute, but yeah, I'm so happy that I came.
Yeah.
Y'all, Karina and Raul legit have the biggest line. Sister shook. Hi. We got a Team Elizabeth over here. Peter is shaking. This is the line right here for Slime Yoda and Slime Glitters. They're killing it. We got Slime OG over there, so that's pretty cool. Ari Slime says hi vlog. Y'all, take a look at the cutest palette ever. Slimy Palettes is literally killing it. How cute is that? They all have different slimes. Y'all, I'm getting a little bit too wild right now. I bought so many slimes. It is ridiculous. I don't know how I'm gonna fit them all home. Hi. You wanna say hi to the vlog? Hi. Hi. Y'all, Karina and Ro are so poppin'. I literally stepped in to help them.
Yeah.
We're shook.
Insane.
It's so crazy. They're almost sold out.
I'm literally fucking drenched. This isn't highlight anymore. This is sweat.
Same though. So we're just gonna go let everybody know that they're almost sold out. That way they can get it while it's hot. Bye. Hi.
Oh gosh.
Everybody's sitting playing with their slime. This is so cute. Look at my queen over there.
I saw you.
She's my queen.
So me, Peter, and Elizabeth are coming to Starbucks to get some drinks for the gang because it's hot in there and we're thirsty.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm happy. I got my drink. Are you happy, sister? Are you happy, sister?
Yeah, we're all happy. Thanks, Joseph.
Okay, so Peter was being extra and he wanted a reusable cup.
We love a biodegradable queen.
I can't.
Nature friendly.
Save the environment. Captain Planet over here.
We gotta get rid of all the straws, you guys. So buy a reusable cup. The fun thing about your vlogs is you gotta be real spotty.
Yeah, this is true.
Real ass. This is the
Real
The Real Chronicles with Joseph.
JosephAnthonii exposed.
I can't. I am now Jeffree Star. I have a secret life that nobody knows about. Sharpay, right? I'm just kidding. High School Musical is shaking in its boots.
Not what I want. Wait, what's the other one? We're so red.
I'm dying. That wasn't at the cafeteria though.
No,
Is that cloud slime good?
you don't get it.
On
you don't
goals.
get it. What do they don't, I don't know what they put in this.
Okay, so just got home. Well, not home. I got to the hotel. I am beyond exhausted. I was there for literally 7 hours and the event just finished right now. Just got here. I'm about to lay down for a little bit. I don't know if the squad wants to link up and have dinner or something, but I'm gonna lay down just for a little bit because I'm tired. I'm also hungry and thirsty, but we're not gonna get into that right now. I'm exhausted. I had so much fun though. It was so much fun meeting all of you. I felt so much love because I wasn't even selling there, you know what I mean? I was just there to just chill, hang with my friends, and meeting so many of you, it was great, and y'all gave me a lot of gifts. I have so many gifts, I don't know how I'm gonna fit them because I'm flying back home, but we're gonna see. We're gonna make it happen. The lighting is probably trash right now, but it is what, 9, 10, maybe even 11 o'clock at night. We just got home. Well, I just got to the hotel. I went to Buffalo Wild Wings with my friends, Karina, Squishy, Peter, Myra, Brian, and Elizabeth, and I forgot to vlog. I mean, it's not that I forgot. It's just that we were having so much fun. I don't want to, like, you know what I mean? Like, when you're in the moment, you're in the moment. And we were really, like, having fun, just chatting it up and laughing. I freaking love seeing them. I wish I could see them more often. So, yeah, I might not see them again. I don't know. Maybe they want to do something tomorrow. I'm totally free tomorrow. We shall see. But, yeah, so that is why I didn't vlog. But just know that we went to Buffalo Wild Wings. It was my first time. I've never been there before because I don't like wings. So, I just got a burger instead. It was really good, though, so... It was pretty good, and the appetizers were kind of iconic. They were really good too, so I had a blast. I missed them so much. I literally wish that I could come like once a month at least, but I don't know. We might have to work that out. We'll see. I look like a hot mess. I literally just woke up, y'all. I am so tired. It is the next day, if you haven't noticed already. I ordered some food in from Postmates because I don't want to do anything this morning. I literally just want to chill. I'm literally hurting, like I'm in pain just because, like, I guess holding like all the bags, like all the gifts and the slimes that I bought yesterday, it weighed a lot, and like literally my arms just feel like they want to fall off. But I ordered some food. I'm pretty shook because I ordered 2 croissants and I want to show you how big they are. I thought it was going to be like a small croissant, you know what I mean? That's why I ordered 2. Look at this. Goals on goals. So I got 2 of these. Probably gonna still eat them though, to be honest. And then I got some donuts. California donuts are shaking right now in their boots. I can't with this. This looks like a fraudulent panda. This one right here is a cronut. It's a croissant donut. And this right here is just a raspberry filled donut. I'm probably gonna eat these later. I just wanted them, you know, just for an Instagram picture, but this looks fraudulent, so that's not happening. Oh, and I also got some coffee because I need it for my soul right now. Oh, hey there. It is the next day, as you can see. That was kind of cringy, whatever. I'm heading home actually, so I'm about to go to the airport. In probably like the next 30 minutes or so. I'm just gonna chill here for a little bit because I don't want to spend too much time at the airport. And then yeah, I should get home around 11 p.m. Texas time. Apparently there's like a hurricane happening or something like that, so it's been raining. It's not like in San Antonio obviously, but in the Gulf of Mexico, and we're really close to that. We're literally like 2 hours away from the Gulf of Mexico, so we usually get a lot of rain. Like when Harvey happened, it was wild. So yeah, that should be fun. So let's see how it goes. Also, I don't think I ever mentioned, but I forgot my brush, like to comb my hair. So my hair's been looking a hot mess the entire time I've been here because I've had to literally use my fingers, and I forgot when I went to Target to go get this tripod. So yeah, it's just fun all around. am finally home, y'all. It is literally 1 something in the morning. My flight was delayed like 5 different times, and then it kept going back on schedule and then delayed and back on schedule. I don't know if you know this, but there are like hurricanes forming, not hurricanes. There's like a tropical storm right now in the Gulf of Mexico, which is pretty close. I don't know if I said this in the last clip or not. I'm pretty sure I did, but whatever. And so yeah, there was a lot of rain and stuff. So I guess the weather was like hindering the plane being on time. I really have no idea, but it was a struggle. I'm just so glad to be home. I'm about to go to sleep right now, and in the morning I get to pick up my baby. I am so excited, but I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the Slimerster vlog, and yeah, thank you for watching. Love you very freaking much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.